Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to review how to calculate a dopamine infusion. Now before we get to that, let's review a couple of numbers that deal with the metric system since America has embraced the metric system. Grams, milligrams, micrograms. Remember, there's 1,000 micrograms in 1 milligram. There's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. So from grams, milligrams, micrograms, multiples of 1,000. Put that in the back of your head. We're going to need that for our calculations a little later. Now, the starting dose of dopamine in most cases is 5 micrograms per kilogram per minute. Now, first I'm just going to show you my formula, then we're going to chop it up. So I want to give 5 micrograms per kilogram per minute, and I'm going to divide that over my concentration. So 5 times 86, the patient's weight, times 60, that's the per minute part, divided by my concentration, which in this case is 1600, will equal mLs per hour on my IV pump, which incidentally is exactly the same as drops per minute of 60 drop tubing. So, the first thing we have to do is calculate our concentration. Now, if we look at a package of dopamine, we look at the numbers on there, it says we have 400 milligrams in 250 cc's. So to get my concentration, I take 400, divide it by my 250, and that's going to give me a concentration of 1.6 milligrams per cc. But we're not dosing in milligrams, we're dosing in micrograms. How many mics in a milligram? 1,000. So I have to multiply that number by 1,000, and I come up with 1,600 micrograms per cc. Looking at my formula, on the top line, my dosing line, I'm in micrograms. My concentration below must be the same. That increment must also be in micrograms. Where people fail in their calculations is they'll take the 400, divide it by 250, come up with 1.6 milligrams per cc and use that. Remember, the top number has to match the bottom number. So let's go through it again. All we're doing is multiplying the top numbers. Just say what you want to give. I want to give 5 micrograms per kilogram, which in this case is 86, per minute times 60, divided by my concentration, and those increments have to match. That equals mLs per hour, or drops per minute of 60 drop tubing. You must use 60 drop tubing. You cannot use 10 drop tubing, 59 drop tubing, any other tubing. It must be 60 drop tubing. Okay, so now you're bedside with the patient, got your calculator in your hand, and you want to verify that this dopamine drip is accurate. First question you ask, what's my concentration of the dopamine in micrograms? And they say 1,600 mics per cc. Groovy. Now all you have to do is fill in the blanks. What's my starting dose? What are we at? Well, we're at 5 mics. 5 times, how much does the patient weigh? 86 kilograms times 86 times 60. I divide that by my concentration, which is 1600, and that pump should read 16.125 mLs per hour. Is that correct? That's correct. Verified. Remember, mLs per hour on a pump is the same as drops per minute of 60 drop tubing. This has been a quick review of dopamine infusions. I'm Mark. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.